Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video lecture we discuss about alkenes or olefins and what are the structures of some alkene and olefins and how to draw the structures of alkene and olefins. So in this video lecture we discuss about the alkenes and the general formula of the alkene and structures of the different alkenes, etc. So before starting the discussions about alkenes, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it now. Let's start our discussions about alkenes. Alkenes means these are unsaturated hydrocarbon. Yes, these are unsaturated hydrocarbon. Carbon carbon double bond is present here. So carbon carbon double bond hydrocarbons are called alkenes. So in the case of alkenes, the carbon carbon double bond is the is must be present, is must required. So for alkenes, it is must. Suppose the smallest alkene is this one, it is called ethene. Ethene is the smallest alkene because it is called olefins also. This one, in this case, carbon carbon double bond is present and it is the first member of the alkene family or olefins, and the general formula for this alkene family this alkene family is Cn and H2n. Okay, so if you put n equal to 2, then the formula molecular formula of the alkene becomes C2H4, and C2H4 means this one, this is the structure of C2H4, and n equal to 3, that time it is producing C3H 3 into 2. This one is the formula, CnH2n is the formula. So C3H6 and the structure is this one, and it is called propene. Okay, so in this way we can draw the structures of alkenes. Alkenes are double bond compound, carbon carbon double bond, and unsaturated compounds. These are unsaturated compounds. Alkenes are always unsaturated compound, and alkenes are formed using the general formula of CnH2n. This is the general formula of alkenes, and in this way you can draw the alkenes. Like if we place n equal to 4, it is becoming C4H8, and the next alkene is this one, is called 1 2 3 4 carbon, therefore but 1 in or butene. You can write both butene or but 1 in. Okay, similarly by placing 5 you can draw pentene, etc. Okay, so this is the chemical formula for the alkene family, CnH2n. These are all unsaturated hydrocarbon. Carbon carbon double bond is must be present here. Okay, carbon carbon double bond is the primary criteria for this alkene family. Double bond is required, and the suffix used for the alkene family is the in suffix is used for the alkene family. Okay, now for the detailed structures of these alkenes, if we write the all hydrogens and carbon bonds, if we write, that time the structures of alkene are like this, is called ethene. Okay, this is the structure of ethene using all covalent bond showing the structures. Okay, showing the structure of ethene, and similarly you can draw the structures of other alkenes like this one. This one is called propene. Propene is formed here, 1 2 3 3 carbons present and one position occupied by a double bond, so therefore it is called propene. This is the detailed structure of propene using the carbon hydrogen covalent bond, carbon carbon covalent bond, showing all the covalent bond, the detailed structures of the alkene. Okay, this alkene can be the straight chain alkene. Okay, these are example of straight chain alkene. Okay, this alkene can be branch chain, can be cyclic alkenes, and can be you can say alicyclic alkenes or cyclic alkenes. Now we draw some alkenes. This one is called substituted alkenes. Okay, here one hydrogen atom of this carbon is substituted by CH3. This one is an alkene and is substituted alkene, means here hydrogen atom of this carbon is replaced by methyl group. Okay, and branch chain alkene, this is a branch chain, this has one branch chain. Okay, similarly the alkenes can be in the ring form like this one. This is a ring alkene. Okay, one position of this ring is containing a double bond. Okay, so this is why it is called the ring alkenes. Okay, this one named as like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So total number of carbon is hex, and before hex we have to add cyclo hex, and one position is double bond containing, so cyclohex 1 in. Cyclohex 1 in or cyclohexene is the IUPAC name of this molecule, is alkene molecule. Okay, this is cyclic alkene, therefore its name as the cyclohex 1 in. So similarly you can draw the structures of any kind of alkenes because you know alkenes means hydrocarbons, and here the difference is that it is means double bonded hydrocarbon, not like single bond or triple bond. It is double bonded hydrocarbons. I am just trying to making this video for the class 9-10 level. They have some problems about the about to draw the structures of alkenes, and they can draw it easily by placing the carbon carbon double bond. And you have to know that carbon has always valency of 4. Okay, carbon has always valency of 4 and hydrogen has valency 1. So if carbon carbon double bond presence means each carbon has other 2 bonds or other 2 valency can be filled by other hydrogen atom or other any groups of atom. So in this way you can understand that what are the structures of alkenes and what is the general formula of alkenes. So this is a very basic video about the very basic lecture about the alkenes. So if you find this video useful for you, then you can like this video, and if you find that this channel educating you or giving you some valuable education, then you can subscribe this channel.